Welcome to a moment of seismology and tectonics, where I share one story from a published scientific article every week. Today, we're going to look at a paper published this week on Nature by Debayle and others. This paper aims at constraining the origin of the Earth as a asthenosphere. The Earth consists of multiple layers. The outermost rigid layer is the lithosphere, and below which is the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is commonly shown as a low seismic velocity zone as observed globally in many studies. However, the origin or nature of this low velocity zone is not clear. There are a few key mechanisms being proposed, including partial melt of metal materials, solid state but close to melt, or the consequence of the presence of volatiles. This study analyzed the global shear wave velocities and the attenuation property of shear waves. The asthenosphere is imaged as low shear wave velocities and high attenuations between the depths of 150 to 200 kilometers. They computed the required fraction of a partial melt corresponding to the shear wave velocity and attenuation models. They found that most of the melt within the asthenosphere is seen below the oceanic lithosphere, close to the spreading centers. Furthermore, they found that the increase of a melt fraction roughly correlates with the increase of plate moving rate, particularly for a melt between the depths of 150 to 200 kilometers. This indicates that partial melt within the asthenosphere with low viscosity may facilitate the movement of lithospheric plates. Thanks for watching this week's video, and I hope you enjoyed it.